Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the payment method in the Disneyland application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the My Profile button. And then click on the Payment Method button. And then click on the Add a Payment Method button. So first you have to select if you want to use a credit or debit card. And then you have to type your card number, the expiry date, so the month and the year, and then the security code, which is at the back of your card, and then the name that's on your card. And next you also have to set the billing address, so your country, your address line, so the street name and the number, and potentially a second address line, but that's optional. And then you have to give your zip code and your city, and lastly your state. And then you can have the options to store your information for use across the Walt Disney family of companies. And once you're ready with everything, just click on the confirm button and your data is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.